Welcome to Team Pet Social's Milestone 1.0 demo video. Our team has been working hard since liftoff to implement various aspects of our application, and we hope to demonstrate these features to you through this video. Firstly, here's our login page. The website is being hosted on AWS at this IP address as shown, so do feel free to check the website out if you want to play around with it. Now in our login page, we can log in to the website, but before that, we will first have to create an account. So let me click on the sign up button and create an account first. Okay, we are here at the sign up page, and I'm going to go ahead and create a random account by filling out the sign up form. Now here, we have the personal account and business account option. So I'm going to go ahead and select the personal account for my own use. Take note that there will be some slight differences in how the website would look if you select the business account option. Thus feel free to try it out. Okay, so after I've signed up, I can go back to the login page here. Now let's assume I've forgotten my password. I can navigate to this link here, fill in my username, and key in a new password like this. And now that it's done, my new password has been set. Great. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in with the account that I've just created. I'm going to click on Remember Me here, and I'm going to sign in. So here is how our newsfeed looks like. Some of the buttons and features aren't functioning yet, but the UI is mostly done. Let me walk you through the state of our website in the current milestone. Firstly, here's how a post on our website will look like. We have the user's profile picture along with his name, the date of the post. Okay. The button on the top right here provides options for the users to choose. Options like report posts for being inappropriate or receive notifications from this post. We have the image of the post here. We have the like button here, which you can click on to like a post. We have the comments section here, which you can use to see others' comments as well as to submit our own comments for the post. We have the share button, which doesn't do anything yet. And lastly, we have the save button, which lets you save the post for future reference. So yep, here are all the features that we have within a post currently. Keep in mind that these data that you are seeing aren't hard-coded into the front end. Instead, they are data that exist in the back end of our application, and this page is currently fetching this data from the back end through GraphQL queries. Now you'll see all these posts, people sharing about their pets, posting cute dog photos, and that's what the intended use case for our app is, to create a community for pet owners to share. Let me point your attention to the top left side of the web page. There's a search button for you to search for users, play groups, or anything within the app. Next, we have the left menu button. You can see that when I click this button, the left bar toggles. This toggling functionality ensures that users on mobile phones can still see the newsfeed clearly, as they can toggle it off to ensure it doesn't block out their view of the newsfeed. If you click on Play Groups, you can see a map here. This map is retrieved from Google API, and we can do things that Google Maps allows us to do, like zoom in and zoom out, view locations and landmarks, etc. This is where we intend for our playgroup functionality to come in, as eventually we will see markers on this map that identifies the location of each playgroup. This functionality will be implemented by the next milestone. Let us navigate to Shops next. As you can see, the Shops functionality is coming soon for people to buy pet accessories, goods, and everything else related to pets. This feature will be implemented in the later milestones as well. Now we head over to Settings. Under Account, you get to change the display order of your given name and your family name. So if my name is Anders Tan, I can choose to display to others whether I want to be seen as Anders Tan or Tan Anders. As you can see, now that I have made this change, everywhere else within the application will reflect this change. Now you can see here, I've changed to Tan Anders here as well. Next, you can delete the account, but I'm not going to do that now. Under Notifications and Privacy Settings, you'll be able to do various forms of settings for your app in the future. Let us move to the top right-hand corner of this application. Our app will have a chat function eventually, which will allow pet owners to chat with each other and make friends through the app. The chatting will be done on the right sidebar here. Now, take note that this right sidebar appears everywhere we go within the app, so it stays here. The other button is the notification bar, which will display all notifications that the user has currently. And lastly, this profile drop-down here will allow you to navigate to your own profile, which is currently empty, but will eventually show things like the posts you've made. The settings button will bring you back to the settings page that we went through earlier. And lastly, remember that I clicked the Remember Me button just now. Now, if we arrive back at the page will automatically remember me and sign in automatically. Before we sign out and end the demo video, here is a feature of our application that would usually go unnoticed. The pet social website is made to be responsive so that any device will be suitable to use the website. Let me demonstrate what I mean. As you can see, the posts have resized to fit the new width of the screen. And last but not least, the sign out functionality. So that's it for our Milestone 1.0 demo video submission. We hope you enjoy our product and feel free to provide any feedback that you have. Thank you.